welcome to the Amelia demo. Here you can see the CGI interface for Amelia. So this is what you would see. I'm logged in as a user called Copad. Therefore, you can see the username there. So Amelia is greeting me. In the text in red here, if there's a major incident, such as a high priority call, we would be able to put that information there so you know that there is already a high priority call for a particular issue in place. On the side here, we have the FAQ section. This allows us to go through this and see any of the frequently asked questions that the service desk get. The contact information, this is the information that we have on the user that I'm logged in as. If there's anything that needs to be updated, as Amelia is asking on the side, this won't be changed here, but we will make a note of what needs to be changed. You will need to request this during the correct method of updating that information. We've also got a getting started with Amelia section. This sets expectations of what Amelia can and cannot do. Amelia will always attempt to log a ticket in all instances, so even if you feel that she's going down the wrong path, Amelia will log that ticket. So do you want to update profile information? No. So if you are the assistant to someone or want to raise a request on someone else's behalf, you can do that here. All you would need is to provide the Amelia with that person's email address, and Amelia will find them. Do you have an alternative phone number for us to contact you on? So we want to make sure that we have the most up-to-date contact information for you at all times. This will allow us to be able to capture that information. Then Amelia asked me how I can help, how she can help. So we have Help Me with Outlook, which will resolve step-by-step stages of Outlook. So we'll go through fixes that the service desk would go through with you, but it would require you to do it yourself. Log a request. So this would be to log any sort of request that you may have. Raise a ticket. This would be where the main focus of Amelia comes from. Raise a ticket to unlock account. So if you have a specific account that's locked, Amelia can raise a ticket for that. Raises an application specific issue, so it'll provide you with a list of applications and you can just select which application it is and it will ask you the issue. So I'm going to do raise a ticket for now. So please describe your issue. Microsoft Word isn't working. So just type in what the problem is. The shorter the better. So you can see on the side here that Microsoft, the template intent has worked and it's Microsoft Office, a Word fault. So have you restarted Word on your machine? Yes. If possible, on your machine, please go to Documents, double click on the folder in there called Templates and delete all the contents of this folder. Then try and reopen the document that you needed. Has this worked? No. Is there any additional information you can provide to help the request? Last Friday, I attempted to get a document open in Word, where you could fully explain the entire issue to Amelia. She doesn't kind of look at what you've said, more of a case of you can put a full paragraph in here rather than a single sentence. So I'll put that through. So then you'll be asked for your asset number, your asset tag. The details here will show you how to get the asset tag. If you don't know it, I'll say I don't know it for now, but if you click yes, it'll ask you for the asset tag, and then it'll pull that information that we have on your asset. We then can see all the questions that we've already answered, and we can update. We can go ahead and submit that issue if we wanted to. So if I wanted to update any of these questions, I could click on them and then go back and update them. or no, please submit my issue. So if I click that, then it will then submit the ticket and pass it directly to the service desk. So we'll be then returned back with an REQ UK number, which is what the service desk would give you, and the service desk will call you back shortly to resolve the issue. So how did you enjoy this conversation? We've got it from devastated to excited. We encourage all feedback so we know how the conversation went. If there's anything that you think needs to be changed at all, we can update it then, because this is reviewed on a daily basis. So then we can also put comments in. This was great. So then that is also submitted and updated as well. So that concludes the demo for Amelia. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the service desk. Okay, thanks. Bye.